I think what attracts people to Leavitt Group is making sure that you're in a good fit for what you're looking for. What I was really looking for is the last stop for my career. I was at that time 40 years old. I had a successful book of business. I already knew what I was doing, yet I didn't have the resources that I had. I didn't have any confidence that anybody is going to be able to provide those resources for me. I really cared about my long-term success. So I told myself this was going to be my last stop wherever I'm going to. I took my book of business at that point, okay, and I joined the Risk Services of Louisiana. I was the first Texas employee for Leavitt Group and started Texas operations. And about 3 months later, I became a co-owner with my business partner of Risk Services of Louisiana. At that time, we have 24 employees, so I just celebrated my 10th anniversary of Leavitt Group, and we now have 82 employees, so we more than tripled in size in 10 years. Well, the biggest resource that they gave me is to allow me to have our own ship. They didn't tell us how to do it. They were available when they were needed. But the biggest thing that I did not want to do, I did not want to think about technology. I did not want to think about computers working or not working. I did not want to think about accounting. I did not want to think about legal services. My strength is to be with the customers and to take care of insurance needs and solve problems for my customers and also develop my employees. Being a part of Leavitt Group, I feel like that we can provide the best of both worlds to our customers and to our employees, because our competitors are publicly traded insurance brokers. Those guys typically look at each quarter to be profitable, and if you're not profitable 2 quarters in a row, then you have to cut people. Our agency look at a long-term view on anything that we do, and whether it's we're hiring employees or taking care of our customers. If we lose a large account for some reason, we're not going to cut people. We're going to sell our way out of the problem. And yet when we're competing against small local agents, they just cannot compete with us because of the carrier access, because of the resources that we have, because of the expertise inside of the office. So we can solve complex problems for our customers and yet have customer service as a priority. We have very little turnover in our support staff, and it benefits the producers because we can take care of our customers.